Coming to the next operator, we are going to discuss about logical operator. When we say logical operator, I have mentioned three logical operators here. The first one is logical AND, next is logical OR, and the third one is logical NOT. Let's consider logical AND. When I say logical AND, there is a simple rule for logical AND operator. We'll have to make sure that operands that we use have to be true. If any of the operand is false, the result of this is going to be false. And if the operands that we are using are true, then the last operand that is true is the response of the logical AND. Let me explain this with example. Let me consider two operands, that is 10 and 30. The result of this is going to be 30 because both the operands here are true. The operand 1 is 10, which is a digit, and it's true because it has value now, and the operand 2, which is 30, is also a digit having value 30, so this is also true. So the operation that we are performing 10 and 30 is going to result in 30. If I consider another example, 10 and 30 and false, you can see that we are using three operands, 10, 30 and false. As I already mentioned, if any of the operand is false in the expression, it is going to result in false. So the result or response of this particular expression is going to be false. Moving to the next operator, which is the logical OR, it is directly opposite to logical AND. In logical AND, we wanted all the operands to be true. In logical OR, we want any one of the operand to be true. For example, if we had 10 or 30, it would give me 10 as a response because it gives the first value which is true as response. So this is how a logical OR operator works. The third type of operator for logical operator is the logical NOT. Logical NOT is just going to reverse the type of operand. For example, if we had an operand whose value is true, and if we add the logical NOT, its result is going to be false. And the vice versa, if we had a logical operand whose value was false, and if we add a NOT operator, the value is going to turn to true. So this is just going to reverse the value of the operand from true to false or false to true. With that, we've finished the logical operator concepts. These are the most used logical operators that I have considered for explanation. Coming to the next type of operator, which is the assignment operator. In the previous videos or the examples that we have discussed, we have seen these kinds of operators already. We are already aware of what assignment operator is when we have considered examples like x equals 10. The equals to operator is the assignment operator. We have another type of assignment operator, which is the add and assign operator. This is basically a shorthand operator. Consider the same example here where x is 10 and you also want to add 20 to x. So generally you're going to do x equals x plus 20, where the value of x is 10 and 20 is added. You also have a shorthand method to do that, which is x plus equals 20. So this expression is similar to this expression. Similarly, you also have subtract and assign, multiply and assign, and many more. I have considered add and assign to just give you an overview of how assignment operators or shorthand operators work. With this last type of assignment operator, which is the add and assign, I conclude this video of operators and the type of operators that are present in JavaScript. So let us rewind what we have studied in this video. The first topic that we studied is the type of operators that are present in JavaScript. Then we understood what arithmetic operators are. We understood how to add numbers, subtract numbers, multiply, divide numbers. Next we understood what comparison operators are. We understood how operands can be compared with equal to, deep equal to, not equal to, and greater than equal to. Next we moved to the bitwise operators. We understood how bitwise AND works, how binary conversions are performed on numbers. We also understood how bitwise OR works and got a result of that as well. Next we understood what logical operators are, how logical AND works, where operands need to be true, how logical OR works where any operand could be true, how logical NOT works where the operand value is reversed. If it's true, then it's assigned to false, and if it's false, then it's reassigned to true. Lastly, we discussed about assignment operators with assign as an operator, which we already have taken in examples before. Then we also understood what shorthand like add and assign operators are, and also discussed various other types of shorthand operators like subtract, multiply and divide. I would like to conclude this video now, and I hope you have understood operators and its types. If you like my video and if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.